Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to extract audio from video without using any third-party software in Samsung smartphones or tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you by opening the gallery application. Say I have one video with audio, so let me try to play it. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll be testing the voice and sound recording, so you can hear it right now. So in order to extract audio from this respective video, what you need to do is just open the My Files application and select the video, or you can use the internal storage to find the respective video, or you can use a video option directly to select the respective video. So this is the video from where I want to extract the audio. So what you need to do is just tap and hold on it and click on this more option. Now just select this rename option. Now just change this extension to MP3 and click on rename. Click on change. Just move back. Now you can find it in the audio files section, or you can locate to the folder where you have saved the video. So you can see I have made the video file into a audio file. So let me try to play it. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll be testing the voice and sound recording. So you can see now you can just make a copy of it. Just click on it and select a copy. You can copy here. Now if you want to restore back the earlier video file, just tap and hold on it and click on this rename. Now just change back this .mp3 to mp4 again. Click on rename, click on change. Now it will restore back the video again. So this is how you can extract audio from video without using third-party software in Samsung smartphones or tablets very easily. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.